Click on search bar and type Google Translate and then enter. Now click on second number Google Translate option. Here you can see this type of interface is appearing. Now if you want to see your saved word in Google Translate web version, click on this star icon. It will show your all saved word in Google Translate. Here you can see this is my saved word in Google Translate. Now I am gonna to save a word live in front of you. So here I am typing hello. You can see here is a star icon appearing. Click on this star to save this word. So here the color of this star has been changed. Now click on saved option. Here you can see this is my recently saved word in Google Translate. Through this process you can easily save your word and easily check your saved word in Google Translate web version.